We start making faces right when we hear something like turmeric milk or any other healthy item. But have you ever tried to know all the health benefits out of it? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
If you thought that turmeric is only meant to color and enhance the flavor of food, I'm sorry, then you are wrong. Turmeric, having dozens of medicinal qualities, makes it best to treat even extensive variety of diseases. But unfortunately, we have limited the use of turmeric only to color and flavor our dishes.
Believe me, if you use turmeric the right way, you'll throw out most of your expensive cosmetics and medicines.
Turmeric powder is extracted from a root of a plant known as Curcuma longa. The root of the plant is extracted and processed into several stages where the final product results in turmeric powder. India, being the largest producer, give us the privilege to use this golden spice of India in extensive and in cheap manner. So why is turmeric referred as the queen of spices?
Watch the video till the end and you'll get the answers very soon. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Turmeric has been used in India and other eastern countries for over thousands of years and has become a part of our custom as well. Turmeric has immense medicinal qualities that can cure deadliest of diseases.
Let's start with number 1, turmeric for heart.
Turmeric, being a natural blood purifier, strengthens the arteries, improves the blood circulation and reduces the bad cholesterol, which makes it best for heart patients.
On number 2 is turmeric for arthritis.
With its anti-inflammatory properties, it gives relief in arthritis and other body pains.
On number 3, turmeric for liver.
With its antimicrobial properties, increases the production of bile and detoxes the liver, and so advised by everyone to have intake of haldi to all the liver patients.
On number 4 is turmeric for skin.
Turmeric, with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, makes it best for the skin.
Since decades, turmeric in our Hindu customs has always been an integral part of marriage ceremonies. Haldi ceremony is a pre-wedding ritual holy bath where a paste of haldi, wheat flour, oil and water is applied to both bride and groom, ensuring healthy marital life but also radiant and glowing skin on the wedding day.
A simple homemade turmeric mask, when applied regularly, can do wonders to the skin.
Take 1 spoon of gram flour, half a spoon of turmeric powder, 2 spoon of curd, half a spoon of sandalwood or chandan powder. If sandalwood or chandan powder is not available, can totally skip that part. Mix all the ingredients and form a paste kind of consistency. Apply it on your face and also other exposed body parts. Let it stay for 15 minutes and wash it off with water. After few applications, you will start noticing a glow on your face. On number 5 is turmeric for hair.
Turmeric has curcumin, which is the most active compound of turmeric, which makes it best for treating all the hair fall issues and treating dandruff. All you need to take is
a boil, add half a spoon of turmeric powder and warm coconut oil. Mix the two well. Apply the oil and haldi paste from the roots to the end of the hair. Massage the scalp gently. Leave the oil for overnight and wash it off next day with a mild shampoo. Minimum 2 hours of gap should be there between the application of the oil and washing it off in order to show its magic. Apply the oil once a week and in few applications only, you will notice that all the issues related to hair fall and dandruff are just vanished. On number 6 is turmeric for wounds.
turmeric, being rich in antiseptic, antibacterial and antiviral properties, makes it best for the wounds. A paste of turmeric and few drops of water makes blood stop immediately. It works like magic for burns and cuts.
On number 7 is turmeric for throat.
Winters are approaching and it makes very difficult for us to take care of our throat.
In a glass, pour lukewarm water and half a spoon of black salt and half a spoon of turmeric powder. Stir it well. Gargle your throat with the water. Make sure that the water is lukewarm while gargling. You can also drink the water itself by adding a few drops of lemon.
Do this daily before sleeping in the night. Turmeric is so effective for throat that can cure severe tonsils and other throat infections. And not just this, it manages weight, controls diabetes by maintaining the sugar levels in the blood, helps in digestion, kills cancerous cells, improves memory, treats Alzheimer's, and last but not the least, it boosts our immune system. And therefore, it is highly recommended and advised right now in this pandemic to have turmeric intake. So now if you hear something like turmeric milk or any food item or drinks which has turmeric in it, have it happily. It will do wonders to your body.